Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine at your home. I am here your Islamiyat teacher Miss Nida Majeed, and today our topic is zakah. So we will learn about zakah, a pillar of Islam. Dear students, a rich Muslim cannot be a true Muslim if he does not pay zakah, the purifying dues. Zakah is an Arabic word. It is difficult to give its fullest meaning in English because the word zakah is highly meaningful. It means to purify something. Dear students, paying of zakah makes the wealth pure. Paying of zakah makes the heart pure. It makes the wealth pure as the soap makes the dirty linen pure. A rich Muslim pays a part of his wealth not because of his own will, it is his duty. The Quran says that the money left after paying zakah becomes pure. The gold and the silver left after paying zakah becomes pure. A true Muslim pays zakah joyfully. Dear students, hope you all are understand about the zakah. Now I will explain your home assignments. Dear students, your 5th week homework is that you will solve the exercise A in book page number 43, and your 6th week homework is that you will solve exercise B in book in page number 43. Thank you everyone, and Allah Hafiz.